Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you are returning, welcome back. Everyone, make sure you click that notification bell so that you are not missing any of my videos that I post every single week. For this week's Wig Wednesday, I am collaborating with Duvolle again. They sent me this amazing flat iron that I cannot wait to show you guys how it works. I will actually be unboxing this flat iron with you guys for the first time, and then I will show you guys how it does on this beautiful wig that I am wearing today. So this is the Duvolle Desire Series Styling Iron, the professional salon model. I already absolutely love the packaging. On the inside, of course, you have the flat iron and it is pink. Make sure you go underneath your flat iron in the box for your manual. As you can see, this is what it looks like on the front. And on the back has your important safeguards, your warnings, your safety tips for your line cord, etc., etc. It looks like this flat iron goes up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. First impressions, I absolutely love the packaging. I love the color of it. The quality feels wonderful. It looks like it's very easy to use. On the inside of the flat iron is your on and off switch. Here's the cord. And the lowest setting is 140 degrees and it goes all the way up to 450 degrees. So what I'm going to do now is heat this baby up and flat iron this particular wig that I'm wearing. This is a very curly wig. The true test to a great flat iron is to see how straight it can get a curly unit or naturally curly hair. So if you'd like to see how I style this unit with my Duvolle Desire Series Styling Iron, keep on watching.
Feels like an ocean. The way you're touching me must be emotion. The way it's meant to be, all the emotion spinning in my head. Feels like an ocean. Baby, there ain't nobody like you. No, it's true. Could do the things you do just like you. Baby, there ain't nobody like you. Do you feel the same? Cause I got high hopes. Do you want the same? Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game? Cause I got high hopes. Something in my mind tells me it's easy.